We just came from a foam party. Now we are going to...
Look, we're gonna make a line from the smallest to the tallest. The smaller one will be the first one to use the water gun. So I think you will be the first one. What is your name? Lucas. And your name?
Kaya.
Kaya. I remember you. Yesterday you were singing the glow party, right?
Yeah. Okay. Shoot. Shoot the cups. Wow. Wow. Kaya, go shoot. Shoot. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, shoot. Shoot, go. Stronger. Good. Again. Stronger. No. Shoot, Kaya, stronger. Shoot. Hurry, Lucas.
Strong, Lucas. Strong, Lucas.
Strong.
Go shoot.
Push. Push strong. Whoa. Hi, guys. Say bye to Mom. Lazy River. I'm gonna follow. Which way? Okay, Daddy. Now we are going to... Let's go!
Please welcome the Mercado family! Hi there! Can you please tell us your name? Kathleen?
Mark.
Alright, family. Last but most important question. Are you ready to get slime? Alright, please follow your friends from today to our slime meal later. And while we wait for family to be safely seated, everyone please help us count it down from our wonderful number 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you look fantastic, family. Please join us over on this side and let everybody know at Aquanite how their slime feel.
Great.
Guys, it's your turn! Cool dance! Bye! Thank you! Say bye! Oh, he gets a hug. You want a hug too, Kaya? Lucas. Thank you, Chase and Marshall. Bye. We are going to eat in Ninja Turtles restaurant called Piazza Tavola. Here you need to make reservations. It's the only restaurant where you need to make reservations. It's an Italian restaurant. And look, say hi. This is the rest of the restaurant and the pizza. It's making pizza there. Wow, that's for Lucas. Ninja Turtle coaster. Apple Delight. This is Kaya's. And my Bellini. Thank you.
Can you read the please? I'm sorry.
What is this?
Pizza.
Pizza. Thank you. Good morning, babies. Hi, we are at the Nickelodeon Resort, and this is day 2. Okay, first we're gonna have breakfast. Hi, Daddy. Good morning. Okay. Go press the elevator. Press down. Uh-oh. Are you able to reach? Maybe mommy will do it because there's a trash can. Oh, the kids club. Let's go in. Let's check. It's open. Wow, this is a nice kids club. Wow, guys. What do you think? Nice, huh? So much activities. Daddy's inquiring about babysitting at night because he wants to go clubbing. So, let me see. Yeah, we can. We'll ask them what time they close. Who's that? Let's go. Lucas, there's the other one. There's another tent. There, at the end. Okay, go play somewhere else. Oh, there's 3 of everything. It's perfect for you guys. Cute. This is a fun kids club. Wow. What else is here? Look, they have a baby area with cribs. This is so cute. Wow. So they're here in this play area. Kaya has the kitchen. Lucas and Liam have the carpentry table. Can I see? Oh, that's supposed to be wood. Yeah, pretend wood. It's so much fun here, huh? They're cooking banana? Another piece of wood. This is a pretty big, spacious, and clean kids club. Really nice. They even have video games. Pac-Man. Oh my. I remember playing this. Let's do Pac-Man. Hi, miss. Are you going to your house? The little pink teepee house? Oh, parked right beside your car. Look here. Hola, Diego. Gracias. We're waiting for our van to transport us from the rooms area to the main lobby. It also goes to the water parks. And their van's running every minute. Here comes our van. I think this is our van. Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, let's go. I think he's gonna back up. Or not. Let's go. So we are going to the breakfast place. This one is called the Spatula. It is a breakfast buffet. Interiors here are always so nice. Look how cute. There you go. La Spatula. What do you want? Juice. So they have a variety of juices. This is pineapple, grapefruit, hibiscus, watermelon. This is the one I drank that you like. Which one do you like? Watermelon for Kaya. How about you? This one for Liam, hibiscus. What about Lucas? What do you want? You want this? Oh, you want this one too? Oh, you also want hibiscus. Okay, go to our table. Mom's gonna follow. Here we have a donut station. Bread. What is this? This is an egg station. We have chicken broth and a whole line of buffet food. Wow, that's good. Wow, what else is here? Chilaquiles, Mexican food, tacos, and vegetables. More vegetables. Chicken fajitas, pork fajitas. What station is this? This is an omelette and taco station. Sauces. And we also have chocolate milk and whole milk. Sandwiches. Pasta. Dessert for the kids. Gelatin. There's even a carousel of dessert. Oreos. Marshmallows. More Oreos. Cookies. Wow. Gummy worms. cereals and ice cream machine. Wow, this is pretty amazing. The mimosa station. So we have grape juice, pineapple, and I got the orange. My good morning drink. Wow, they also have a cereals wheel. Cute. They have Fruit Loops, Corn Flakes, more Fruit Loops. Wow, and they have Kellogg. So we are walking from our hotel lobby to the water park. We are so excited to go in the water park, right? Look at this. Oh, Liam, look. Go. Oh my, we're gonna see and have a picture. Which Ninja Turtle is this? Leo. Leonardo. Okay, look at the camera. One, two, and break. Okay, amazing. We got it. Break. Oh, high five. Bye. Thank you, Leo.
That's Aquanic, Nickelodeon's water park here in River Vieira Maya. Okay, are you guys ready?
We're gonna go. Just putting sunblock on Liam. You guys wanna walk? Let's go. Daddy, come on. Daddy, come on. Wow, you're excited? Okay, who wants to go now? Let's go. Run. Let's go. We're gonna follow you guys wherever you wanna go. Let's go. How about that way? Stairs. Kaya, go up the stairs. Here, up the stairs there.
Up the stairs.
Go. Yay. Oh shoot! Whoa! Let's go! Liam, let's go! Wow! More water! Go Kaya! Let's go guys! Ready! Okay, which slide are we going on? Kaya, pick a slide. There's a green one, a blue one, and then just water play there. Where do you want to go? Maybe green one? Okay. Yes, this is Paw Patrol Adventure Bay. Wow, this is for your age. Look at all those slides you can ride. What do you think? Huh? Yes, go Liam. Wait, we're gonna get your life vest. Follow Daddy. Feel safe. So much lifeguards everywhere. This is another kids club right at the lobby. So usually parents leave their kids here when they check in or do other stuff. Oh, Liam. There. Kaya, what do you say? Thank you. Gracias. Cancun, Daddy and Mommy are going to draw a lot on who's going to stay beside us during this 5-hour trip. Okay? So, for Daddy, pick who you'll be beside. Pick one. I guess Mommy picks two. Okay, Daddy? Who did Daddy pick? Show in here. Kaya! You're sitting with Daddy. So, Liam and Lucas are sitting with Mom.